I'm in your gym class, remember?
Oh yeah, no, run. Stay at first. Yes, stay. Go, stay second. Out of the way.
Oh my God!
Flip it.
Six home run. You're in the home run.
Oh, you're good.
Sec, Adler, you get a walk here. I'm coming in. T-Mobile. Like LeBron.
Get out.
Adler, that's on you. So over. Why do we ever do that? Why do we want Adler? Shut up, not by the camera. Run that. That's not foul.
There.
3, 4. Stay. Oh, he's got.
Go.
Run! Yeah! Run that!
Run.
Say,
Yes, Sam!
oh, wow, man.
How many? Is that 2 home runs?
Let's go 6. Let's go.
Look at the ball. Time.
Adler, they don't need to stop. They need to know when you can stop looking at your face.
Time.
Yeah, they need to call time like 10.
Yeah, go to first. Okay, good. Thank you. Where's my...
You guys
Bro, you said that right after you guys were yelling about.
$1 and it's a done deal. Free. A lot of money for that hat.
Yeah. 6, but we didn't want to do that. No, Sam! Sam! Go!